To be honest with you, many people around the world thought that mixing baking soda and maple syrup or honey is a bad thing. Why? Because cancer cells thrive on sugar. But, in the last 60 years, many experts around the world have examined this and they said that this is not true. Here's what you need to know. Yes, cancer cells love sugar, and mixing and heating alkaline sodium bicarbonate with sugar-rich maple syrup or honey binds the two together such that the maple syrup targets the sugar-hungry cancer cells, which consume 15x more glucose than normal cells, and sneakily carries the baking soda into the cells. This means that you will use the maple syrup or the honey as a Trojan horse. The alkalinity of the baking soda either kills the cancer microbe, or reverts it to its hibernation form, inside the cancer cell, such that the cell reverts to normal. Or, it has an alkalizing effect forcing a rapid pH shift that kills the cell. The shock wave of alkalinity allows more oxygen into the cancer cells than they can tolerate. Cancer cell is reverted or eliminated before the sugar delivery can cause cancer cell growth. How to use this simple, but effective trick? It's very simple. You just need two simple ingredients, baking soda and honey or maple syrup. Here's what you need to do. You just have to combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda for every 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Because there are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon, the ratio used is 1 part baking soda to 3 parts maple syrup or honey. For example, mix 4 teaspoons baking soda with 4 tablespoons maple syrup or honey. This should be enough for a week. When you mix these 2 ingredients, cook the mixture on low heat for 5-10 minutes. And make sure you don't put this mixture in your refrigerator.